What's up, guys? My name is Anthony, and this is PG3D. Hi guys, like I said, my name is Anthony, and this video is going to be kind of just introducing what I want to do on this channel. 3D printing has become a major hobby of mine, overtaking all of my other hobbies. I've been doing this for almost a year now, and I've learned a lot, and I want to share those experiences with everybody on YouTube. So what I'm hoping to do is not only share what I've done, is possibly teach the newcomers or somebody who's just thinking about coming into 3D printing. You're like, should I buy a printer or not? Which printer should I buy? And those were a lot of questions I had whenever I was getting into them. And some of them I made even the wrong decisions. So I want to teach from my experience. Currently, the two printers I have are the Monoprice Maker Select Plus over here and the CR10 S4. The Monoprice Maker Select Plus, you can probably tell, has been the printer I've had the longest because it has a bunch of modifications to it. You can see the Z braces and stuff like that. I'll get into more of that in a later video. The CR10 S4 I've had for a couple of months now, and I have some really fun projects that I want to do on it because of its large build size. That it's 400 by 400 by 400, which and that's millimeters. And if you're in America, 15 by 15 by 15, so 15 inches cubed. So it's huge. It can print out humongous things, and that's super exciting. And like I said, I've had these things running almost constantly. I've printed out all kinds of things, such as spaceships from my favorite MMO, EVE Online. This is a Megathron, and this is a rock. Little fidget toys that I drop. The ever popular Flexi Rex from Thingivers. So cool. The Pillar of Autumn from Halo 1. Oversized Jabba the Hutt piggy bank. So that's what I've been mostly doing here lately, is printing other designs and cool things that I find, which is what a lot of people do. But I've also made some of my own things, and I really want to get into making more of my own things. Such as this phone holder for my truck. It goes and fits inside the CD tray. Yes, I could have bought something for this, but you know, I have a 3D printer, so why not make something? And I also made this lithofan keychain. And I also made this lithofan keychain, which you can't really see from this distance. So let's try getting a little bit closer. You can kind of see it there. It's a puppy. And of course, I made a giant PG3D logo. So that summarizes what I'm hoping to do with this channel. I have all kinds of ideas on videos that I'm wanting to make, such as upgrades to these printers, projects I'm wanting to do in SolidWorks and Fusion 360, as well as just printing out cool things that I find so that I can show off other people's creativity as well as my own. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button if you want to get notified of everything that I plan on putting out in the future. I think you're really going to like it. I'm going to leave links to all the models that I've shown off in this video below. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.